All right, solving this, I want to find the amplitude, and then the period, and then the phase shift. And depending on how you want to abbreviate these, amplitude is just going to be the absolute value of that, or the magnitude, so it's just 3. Period's going to be 2 pi divided by omega, which is going to be equal to 2 pi divided by the coefficient here. And don't worry about the negative sign. It's just going to be 2. So in this case, it's going to have a period of pi. All this does right here is actually you can move this out here. So it's just, it becomes a, I think here, it cancels that out. Actually, does it cancel out? But here's what I'm going to do. Inside, I get negative 2 pi minus pi over 2. And then this cancels out. So this becomes plus and this becomes minus. But don't freak out too much about that. So this would just be 2x, that's supposed to be x, minus pi over 2. Okay, so is equal to theta divided by omega, which becomes pi over 2 divided by 2, which is going to be equal to pi over 4. And because this is a negative, it's going to shift to the right, pi over 4. So so this would be like a graph like this. So this cycles every pi. So this would be pi over 4. Then we have a pi over 2. And then it would cycle here. But because it shifts to the right, pi over 4. Well, yeah. It's opposite of that. It would shift here. So everything comes out over here. So this graph's correct. Hopefully that makes sense. So it's got a phase shift of pi over 4, period of pi, and an amplitude of 3.